Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to write down the equation of the line L1 given this diagram. Okay, the first thing that comes to me is that, hey, this is a horizontal line. Okay, meaning gradient will be equals to 0. Alright, and the next thing to take note of is since they give me the coordinates here, this is the y, right? That means this one here will be negative for this particular point, and this particular point happens to be my y-intercept, which is my letter C. And we all now know that y equals to mx plus c, where m is my gradient, 0 in this case. C is my y-intercept, which is negative 4 in this case. So if I were to plonk the values in, I will have y equals to 0 times x. C is negative 4, and anything times 0 equals to 0. Okay, do take note. 0 times x is equals to 0, so we don't need to write that down. So that the final answer in this case here is y equals to negative 4. And of course, gradient is already given here already. We know already 0. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.